Are you ready for Archie? Are you ready for Archie? It's time for Archie to have some fun. It's time for Archie's YouTube video.
Yeah. The Great Fire of London!
My diary tells the story of a fire strong and bright. It burnt down most of London, through the day and through the night. My name is
Samuel Pepys.
I wrote this to remember the fire that burnt in 1666, from the 2nd to the 5th of September.
Oh, hi. Welcome to my bakery.
Pudding Lane Bakery was where it all began, and Thomas the baker was a very sorry man.
I am so sorry. I'm sorry as to how expensive the wheel is.
Thomas went to bed one night, but the oven fire wasn't out. London was about to burn after 10 long months of drought. The houses made of straw and wood meant the town went down with ease. People buried valuables. I dug a hole for my stinky cheese.
No! I must get the fire out of here! Yeah!
Leather buckets helped a little, but the fire spread so fast. Houses so close together meant the damage done was vast. People went to the cathedral, hoping it would stand tall.
Oh, there's a fire! Ah!
But the wooden roof caught fire, and St. Paul's too did fall.
Ah! Help! Let's get out of here! Ah! My king!
Following my advice, the king sent out an order to knock down houses, make a gap, to create a fire border.
Yeah, okay.
This worked and the fire was stopped, though so much damage was done. London was destroyed and rebuilding work begun.
Don't worry, everybody. I'm almost finished the house. Just one more job to do. Build this house.
This time, homes were made of brick, so it wouldn't happen again. The cathedral and a statue were designed by Sir Christopher Wren.
Which is me. Good news.
My cheese survived,
Yay!
and so did I. But London was never the same.
Oh, London was never the same.
All because a baker left a fire in Pudding Lane.
It's just me. I'm making a video for you to have fun. It's just pretend this is just a background. If you don't know background, it's cool. It's not real, but if you do, yeah, you will like and subscribe. And are you ready for